I didn't had any good profile picture or an intro for my YouTube channel, so I thought to make it in 3D and also to get some content out of it. First of all, I am going to have some mercy on this little cube. After this, I am going to add my logo in the scene and embed it on the default cube with the help of knife tool. After this, set the material of the logo different from the default cube. Then bevel the edges of the cube to make it look smoother on the edges. After this, add a simple background. Then set the resolution of your camera. I think I'm going to leave the background as transparent so I can edit it later. Now add a curved circle and two spheres, one with a glass material and other one with emission material. Now select these two spheres and then curved circle at the end, and then click Ctrl P to set the curved circle as the parent of these spheres. Now set the parent option to follow path. After this, just duplicate the curve to get more of these in your scene. Now change the shape of the spheres like this. You can also decrease the focal length of your camera to get a more appealing effect. Now it's time to start working on my intro. First of all, delete everything except the default cube. Then add a plane to make a nice background. After this, add a camera and some lights. Then animate the intensity of your lights like I am doing from dark to other colors. Now it's time to animate our cube. Start the animation by animating location of the cube, then rotation. Then you can select the keyframes and change the interpolation mode to get more interesting results. After this, I made a spiral curve with the help of geonodes like this. Then I added two spheres, one with the emission material and other one with the glass material like before, and got him to follow this spiral curve. After this, I duplicated the spiral curve on the other side of the cube and did the same things as before. Then I added a simple deform modifier to our spheres and tweaked every bit of this simple deform modifier. After some time playing with the simple deform modifier, I liked this animation, so I took it